So you've taken the time off work, you've booked the holiday park, you're all ready for your next big off-road adventure. Before you even start thinking about putting those bags into the car though, there's a few common car checks you need to do. Things like a flat tyre or a blown light won't ruin your day as long as you've got a couple of spares in the car. And before you do set off, make sure you use one of these nifty little devices and check your tread. And when you are driving, avoid any debris that's on the road. Check all the lights on the dash, not just the fuel. Low coolant will make the engine overheat, creating major engine damage. Low oil means your car's working harder, causing costly and premature wear to the moving parts. Don't feel confident checking any of these yourself? An expert mechanic like Adam has seen these issues all too many times and can help you out.
A worn or defective wheel bearing could fail on a long journey, which is a massive safety issue, so we would recommend that you get it checked out for any long trips.
How about my car?
So generally it's in good nick, done a leak check and a pressure test, so now you should be good for your journey.